All right, let's take a look at most missed number 9. So on this one, it says, what is the value of this given derivative? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the derivative of each term. Direct application of power rule here, so we've got negative 8x to the third plus 9x squared minus 2x. All right, now we need to evaluate it specifically at negative 2, so that we're finding dy dx when x equals negative 2. So I've got negative 8 times negative 2 cubed plus 9 times negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2. Alright, so that's going to be a negative 8 times a negative 8 plus 9 times 4 plus 4. Alright, 8 times 8 is 64. Two negatives make a positive. 9 times 4 equals 36, and then we've got a plus 4 there. 64 plus 36 is going to be 100. Plus 4 takes me up to 104. Alright, so we're looking at an answer of 104 for this one. And again, this is a direct application of the power rule for the most missed problem number 9. Alright, thanks.